Okay, now, here's some of the things that can happen to contribute to losing life force energy. When the chakras are in disrepair, things like the following will happen. The chakra can be totally blown out. So that's missing. If you have a chakra missing, you're losing a lot of life force energy. You can have a chakra that is collapsed. And if it's collapsed, that means energy can't get in, energy can't get out. There's a compromise to the energetic system. And, we're talking about the energetic system in different segments. However, recognize that the whole system is always working together. And then we have chakras that are torn. Again, life force leaking, drooping, energy's not getting in, energy's not getting out, and weak chakras, again, it's compromising the system. And now go over just what we already went over is just the crown chakra reflexing to the hypothalamus, the feed to source energy, the third eye reflexing to the pituitary gland responsible for growth, the throat chakra, the thyroid, and the heart chakra, the thymus, the third chakra, the adrenal glands, the second chakra, the reproductive, and the base chakra is our survival. Now I'm just going to talk a little bit about what I put in there about expressive and receptive. If you look at the base chakra, the third chakra, and the throat chakra, you'll see that those are all expressive chakras. It's the way we put ourselves out into the world. Now, if you look at the second, the heart, and the third eye, those are receptive chakras. So I would say this, if you count your chakras from the base, just say the first chakra, the second, the third, the fourth, the heart, the fifth, the throat, the sixth, the third eye, and the crown chakra being the seventh. It's every odd chakra is an expressive chakra, and the even numbers would be your receptive. Your crown chakra is a feed, so don't include that as we're talking about expressive and receptive. Now, your receptive is giving you information. It's giving you information about what's going on in the world. Your expressive chakras are helping you to express yourself, to express your truth. All right, we'll go more into detail there a little bit later. All right, the aura, again, we're talking about 7 layers. Now, this is a good time to mention that we have 7 chakras that we're talking about, but these are actually the personal chakras. We have more chakras. We have the 8th, the 9th, the 10th, but we really focus on the first 7 because those are what we're really connected to on this earth plane.